In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode in Google Chrome. If you find staring at a bright screen all day is causing eye strain, or you simply prefer the look of a darker interface, enabling dark mode in Chrome might be just what you're looking for. The process is simple and will make your browsing experience more comfortable, particularly in low-light environments. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get this set up, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll see a symbol that looks like three vertical dots, often referred to as the menu or overflow button. This icon is your gateway to more options. Go ahead and click on it. Once the menu drops down, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you into Chrome's Settings page, which is where we can make adjustments to how Chrome behaves and looks according to your preference. In the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll notice a variety of categories. We're interested in the one labeled Appearance, so you'll want to click there next. This section controls all the visual aspects of Chrome, so you'll find quite a few interesting options here. Now, within the Appearance settings, you're looking for a section marked Mode. Here, you should see a couple of choices. You'll see Dark and another option that says Device. If you select Dark, Chrome will immediately shift to the dark mode theme, giving your browser a sleek and muted aesthetic. If you prefer, you can also choose Device, which means Chrome will follow whatever theme your operating system is using. So if your computer is set to dark mode, Chrome will reflect that without any extra input from you. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Google Chrome. This simple change can not only ease the strain on your eyes during nighttime browsing, but also give your entire browsing experience a fresh new look. If you ever want to switch it back, you can easily return to the mode setting and choose a different theme. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more handy tips and guides. Until next time, enjoy your browsing in dark